Alright, problem 17 from the AIME 10A 2010. A soft cube by solving 3 inches, a 2 by 2 inch square hole is cut into the center of each face. The edges of each cutter pillow to the edge of the cube, and each hole goes a little bit through the cube, but is the bottom of the cube is remaining solid. So we know that we have a cube, right? And we know that we basically have a 2 by 2 inch square hole cut into the center of each face. Okay, so we know that, and we know that each hole goes all the way through the cube. So if you think about it, if I have a cube, I can try and draw it out. If I have like a cube like this, and then I have something like this. That's gonna be like that. Okay, anyway, you know what I'm saying? So basically, if I have like a hole in this top, let me kind of get a different color. If I have a hole on this top portion, and the same for every side, and there's also one on this face, and also one on the bottom face as well. We know that the first hole right here, the one that will intercede with these dotted lines, right? The first hole will have area, and the first cut rather, will have area base times height 4 times 3. Because this length is 3, this base is 4, so our area is 4 by 3. So basically 27 minus 4 times 3, because 27 is 3 cubed, which is the area of a cube, which is 15. But we're not done yet, because we have this for 4 of them. We also have this little region right here, right? Right. We know this length is 2, right? We know this, okay, we know this length here is 2. We know that this length, the entire length here is 3, right? So we know that each one will have an equal distance. So each one will have a length 0.5, because 0.5 times 2 plus 2 will equal 3, right? Now that's common sense. So you know that the base of each of these like interceding like little lines, you think about it like this, the base of each one of these interceding lines, like for example this line right here, and for example this line like here, this line right here, right? Each one of these interceding lines is basically 2, and its height is also 0.5, like I told you just now. So basically the area is just 15 minus 4, because we have 4 of them, and then times 2 times 2 times 0.5. Because the base is 2 by 2, and this is technically its height. Okay, so the area is just 15 minus 8 equals 7. So the answer is A. Simple problem. And by now, you should be qualifying for AIME.